Hello everyone, so I'm going to be sharing with you a fascinating website I came across, and this website is called Voscreen, and through this website students can improve their listening skills, and it's done through, of course, the practice of listening as they watch short films or clips from YouTube, and they have to choose or select the correct translation for the short conversation or spoken text that they have just heard. This website, of course, is also free of charge, so you sign up for free, and it's very easy. So I'm just going to do it right now with you. I'm going to sign up and add my personal information, and you need to finally select your mother tongue language. In this case, my mother tongue language is also Arabic in addition to English, and once I've done that, I just do it the first time, and then everything is automatically saved. So the moment I access the website, I get to a video tutorial if I want to watch. I'm going to skip it in the meantime and show you around the website. Next, of course, you will see the first video clip. You play the clip and listen to the short piece of text. Then you can play the clip, of course, a number of times if you aren't sure you understand it. And then you click on Show Me Script if you want to see the script of what you just heard. And then you select the correct translation. So let's skip the tutorial and look at an example.
All men are created equal.
So here was an example. We listened to the short clip, and now we need to select the correct answer for the translation of what you have just heard. If I answer correct, I get points, and if not, I lose points, of course, and then I move on to the next clip.
I'm sorry. I'm tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
So again, here I need to select the correct translation for the short listening text that I have just listened to and watched. It's important to also know that for each clip, students are only given 26 seconds to select the correct translation.
The average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in a lifetime.
And of course, you could keep on practicing on, and your final score of points for guessing how, for example, how many correct answers you have got is above the video clip that you are watching. And of course, you can play for as long as you wish, and I believe that coming back regularly for a few minutes each day would really help improve your students' listening skills and, of course, enrich their vocabulary. And I think it's going to be motivating and fun, and I really hope that they would enjoy this activity. It could be given as a home-based task or as a homework activity where you could ask them to go to Voscreen and listen to 5 or 6 different clips and then write the translations of the sentences they have heard. Of course, you can be creative with it and work with it in a way that suits you, and maybe they could just write down new words they have learned, not sentences, and so on. I'm also sharing below this YouTube video in the description box a PowerPoint slide where you could download and share with your students so that they could have access to Voscreen through steps and guided instructions. So all the best, and thank you for watching English with Nasrin.